Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make stir-fry shrimp and broccoli. Start by prepping shrimp, chopping broccoli, and mixing a simple sauce. Heat a wide pan over high heat and add oil until shimmering, then cook shrimp quickly until just opaque. Remove shrimp, stir-fry aromatics, add broccoli, and toss with sauce until crisp tender. Return shrimp, finish with sesame oil and lime, then serve over rice or noodles. Mixing the sauce is fast and forgiving, so taste as you go and tweak sweetness or salt. Use equal parts soy and rice vinegar, a touch of honey, and a half teaspoon of cornstarch to thicken. Stir until smooth and set aside while cooking. This lets the sauce cling to shrimp and broccoli without becoming gummy. Finish with sesame oil and a squeeze of citrus to brighten the whole dish. High heat and quick timing give you a restaurant-style stir-fry at home, so keep ingredients moving. Preheat your wok or large skillet until very hot, then sear shrimp briefly and set aside. Stir-fry aromatics, then broccoli until bright and just tender. Add the sauce and shrimp back in, tossing until everything is glazed evenly. Serve immediately for the best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.